Hi everyone, it's Heidi with WTI, and this Honeywell Insight HEPA Air Purifier was just what we needed for this really large kitchen living room area. We have family who need the air purified and nice and clean, especially during allergy season, and this was ideal for that space. The great features of this are that the indicator lights are easy to see and they show the air quality, and there are 3 different modes that you can select in addition to an auto mode and a turbo mode. It's so convenient and easy to use. They're touch controls. They're right on top of the unit. One of them allows you to dim the lights. There's an on-off button, and that button is the same button that you use to select the mode. And when your filters need to be changed, there is a red filter light that will appear and tell you. And that's a really easy process as well. You simply take the front of the unit off. The piece is very lightweight, and you replace your filters, put the front back on the unit, and with the unit off, you tap the filter button 2 times within a few seconds, and it resets the light. So the light no longer shows until the next time that you need to change the filter. The quality and effectiveness of this Honeywell Insight HEPA Air Purifier has really helped keep the air clean in our home. And that's my point of view.